Hi everybody, so today is the start of our carpentry works. You can see most of our carpentry has already been delivered here. They're starting work and then I think the rest of the batch will come over the weekend and hopefully we see some progress in the next couple of days. But so far, everything is looking good. I think one of the things that I'm looking forward most is this S-shaped cabinet and how it will actually turn out to be. This is our big arch dry pantry. Our cupboards are in the midst of being done up. So I think I'm not sure how the order or sequence they're gonna do it but supposedly everything is gonna be done over the weekend. Here we have this very nicely carved out design. This is drawn by our ID. This will be placed on our wall, which I'll show you. It will be here. Here we have the wardrobe space, so we do have arch over here, and then this is gonna have a flap where we're gonna put a hairdryer and the plugs in. Here the fluted, likely I think it's the storeroom one that's supposed to do the hiding, but yeah, we'll see where it goes. At the toilet, they have already installed the cabinet. Looks pretty nice. So everything we actually end off with a nice, very laminate kind of touch. For the common toilet, we also have the similar feel. So you can see that the whole house is very unison with this kind of laminate feeling. A very simple cupboard without much thing. I'm in the kitchen area now. Both sides of the cabinet already they placed. Of course, they have not placed the cover yet. And I think the space is good for walking. I mean, now we can really see whether the kitchen is small or big. But I think it's pretty decent size for me to do my cooking. That's a lot of work done in a couple of hours. They're probably gonna work all the way until late night. So let's come back tomorrow and see how much progress they've done. Day 2 carpentry, most of the kitchens, I think it's a continuation of yesterday. We have already done up most of the stuff. And then I think they're putting in the laminate. So you can see the laminate finish over here, which we showed earlier on. And our S-shaped cabinet is up as well. This is really something that is our highlight of our house. It's a very long cabinet. So they're trying to figure out how they're gonna lift it up and then gonna feed it to the wall. But we'll leave it to them to sort it out. Oh, I didn't even notice the side here already been completed already. Oh, this wall is up already. Okay, I'll just let them do what they need to do for the rest of the day and I'll be back tomorrow to see day 3 update of carpentry. We are here again on a Sunday, but I think today they're not working, so we could actually get a better view of the house without all the sound. Okay, what has already been done up is this feature wall that we use to hide our bomb shelter, and this, this cutout of something that we can put. It's very thin, I don't think we can put much things, maybe some fake books or something like this. I like how it finishes off with this laminate because this laminate really looks quite nice. So I guess they already installed the oven as well as the hood already. Already installed the vanity area, the vanity table, this arch thing which she is able to put her makeup products. But one thing irks us is this cabinet that we actually put the bags, right? Our aircon piping we did wrongly already. Our aircon piping shouldn't be there. It's actually blocking the topmost shelf. So we're going to see whether we can shift this aircon piping over to some other area instead. I'm back here again in my house. I think it's about done soon. This is the last second of renovation. They said tomorrow will be the last day. And I can see kitchen's carpentry, the doors have already been placed up. And you can see my hot hood, they have already boxed already here. Only the tabletop area has not been installed, so our hob is not done. But you can see our S-shaped cabinet. S-shaped cabinet is already done up very nicely. We have a foyer. This is some sort of fluted kind of area. TV feature also is done. I think it's only left the wirings only. So what has changed in the master bedroom is they have installed the glass works. So I didn't even notice when I came in, but this is a very, very nice glass. I think you can't see it on the video, but it's fluted. So you have this kind of ridges for your hands to run through, and I think you can't really see. It's a bit opaque. So looks pretty nice. So here are where our features will be. So there will be a hidden plug underneath here. On the opposite side, we have the line 8 track, but we need the backsplash to be placed first before we can do anything. And then there's an inner one to put our cutleries, and then all are soft closing.